Yeah, hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Random Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here we'll talk about how to make money online, how to start your own dollar account, how to start your own dollar arbitrage, and a lot. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can convert any cryptocurrency to USDT and sell it on P2P. How you can convert any cryptocurrency to P2P to USDT and sell it on P2P. So when I come to Binance, you see that Binance, the P2P market only accepts at USDT, BTC, FUSD, BNB, Ethereum, and Solana. So let's assume you have TRX, you have Peppercoin, you have those kind of things. This is how you do it. You go to your wallet and you see that, okay, you see right now I have TRX, I have 120 TRX in my account. So this is how I'll do it. I'll go home and choose trade and go to convert. So convert, have you seen that they say USDT to W? So I'll choose TRX over here. TRX, that's strong, to USDT. So the amount I have in my TRX is what? 120. So I'll say 120. So it means 120, I'll be getting 14.24 USDT. So because 1 Tron is equal to 0.11. Yeah, so I'll click on what? Preview conversion. So okay, convert. So in progress and it's done. So right now I've converted my TRX to USDT. So when I when I refresh this page, you see that right now there's no BTC, there's no TRX over here. It's only USDT and I have 57.95. So before I can set this thing on Binance, I have to transfer it from my spot wallet to final wallet. I can also do it like this. I'll go to trade, go to P2P, go to sell, choose something like this, and I'll enter, let's say 67. They say add funds. So I will see the add funds, because if the money is in your spot wallet, you can't do P2P unless you transfer it from spot wallet to your founding wallet. So I will add fund, go to transfer, and I'll enter the amount I want to transfer. So 67.93. So I'll go to P2P again and I'll go to sell. And this time around, since I have 57 in my account, I have to search my range. You see that this person is selling it for, or be buying USDT for 1409, but the limit is from 5,000 upwards, and my money is not up to that. And the money, the account is, you will send the money to is Momo and MTMO money. So you have to know the account you have before you want to jump straight to it. So I'll search for the person that, so this person, fair woman, from 700 to 15,000 mobile money, and the rate is what? 14.08. So I'll do trade with this person. So I have MTMO money and Momo, so I'll choose MTMO money. I have it already. So I have it already. So enter the amount I have is 67.93. So it means that if I said this is 7.93 to this person, I'll be receiving 956, and the person's online. So I'll go on and sell USDT now. So this how the thing is. The buyer's name is Nathaniel Ofori. Don't trade Ghanaian. So this how it is. But are we seeing this message over here? You can click on it to check or to chat with the person. So the person is asking MTN subscribers only. So at times people receive money through their merchant line. So this person's what is trading with only subscribers. So I'll say I'm a subscriber. You see, yeah. So the person have 14 minutes to make payments, and this where people fraud people. So at times they will pressure you. They will say that, oh, they have sent the money, so release the your USDT, and when you mistakenly release it, you will lose your money. So if you're a beginner, are we saying this thing? You have to read this thing first to understand everything. Yeah, and you have to make sure that this 956 is in your mobile wallet or your account before you release your cryptocurrency. So one thing about Binance, you can't initiate another trade unless this minute ends. So if this minute ends and the person don't make the payment, you will not, like, you can't initiate another one. So unless it's like it end. So if it end and the person don't make the payments, it will cancel and you go to another one to do it. So let's wait for the person to make the payment. At times it's delayed, at times too the person is quick. It depends on the person you're doing, and it depends on the market tension. So right now the USD have boomed, so people are rushing selling their USDT. So we see that the buyers will be like, they'll be getting some tension out in here. So you have to wait. Yeah, so you can cut it and do your own thing. So when you receive the money, you can come back and check everything. Yeah, so this how you do and transfer your TRX to USDT and trade. Yeah, so I wanted to wait, and when the person paid, you see that the payments received here, it will turn yellow. So when you click on it, it means that you're ready to release your crypto wallet. So if you receive the money, you can click on this thing to release the crypto. But if you haven't really received it, don't lie and it's 10 yellow, don't click it. Or you can even report the person. If the person wants to scam you, if you go to the messages, have you seen the report at the top here? Can report the person. If the person is trying to fraud you, you can report the person on the platform. Yeah, and Binance will take action for you. So that's how it is. So since I'm waiting for my pay, I think I have to end my section. Or do you want to wait and check? I think I have to end my section. Or what do you think? Because the person is delaying. Like, at least you should have paid right now. But maybe he have some lot of customers on him. Yeah, and this is not my first time doing trade with this person. I've done 6 times trade with this person. Yeah, so this is not my first time doing trade with this person. So I'll be waiting patiently for my money to elect in my account. And one thing about this, if you initiate this trade and even if he paid the money and you don't release the crypto will still be in your account unless you release it. But you also have a time limit to release the crypto if you received the money. Yeah, you also have the time, like how this person is being timed. You also have time like that. Yeah. So you don't try to be smart, because like some people will say, oh, then if I receive the money, then I'll not release the crypto. You can't do it. Yeah, you can't do that. Yeah, so you have to always like be real, be legit, and have clean heart if you want to succeed in this crypto business. Yeah, don't try to use your head. Try to use your clean heart to do this thing, because like it's money go, money come. That's how it is. Yeah. So I'll be waiting for my money, and I'll post the proof on my community for you to check everything. Yeah. Or if I receive the money, I'll use the money I received as the time now for you to know. Yeah, for you to see. Yeah. So thank you for watching me, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm out.